we are going to check out
Winnie.
Yes, we're gonna do a bit of shopping, even though
We shouldn't
I
be.
broke.
We shouldn't be because we're supposed to be in quarantine.
Yeah, we should be in quarantine. Bad influence. But yeah, and then we're gonna check out the thrift store, and hopefully we could transform some more clothing.
Yep.
And we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. Oh look, it's your favorite store.
Yeah.
All these name brands for a discount. Frugal living. Or you just be more frugal and not buy anything. You can do that too. I don't want to smell your mask.
No, honestly.
Smells like your.
Right?
I don't know what it smells like actually.
But it doesn't smell like sticky breath.
It's like nothing. Holy, someone robbed the store. It's like so empty in here.
Yeah, because they said they were gonna get no shipping.
Oh, that's cute. Not for 50 bucks though. Ooh. Yeah, this is us holding our bags around because we're very tempted to get it, but we're not sure yet.
So we're gonna hold it around.
Yeah,
Do some
because
modeling.
look,
It's a
it
guess.
opens up. You got everything you need in here. Kinda, but I don't have any
her.
card holders though. I don't know, it's $40, but it is a guess. So.
Yeah, and mine is Kate Spade, and it's a little handle, and it could come with a strap, and you can also open it.
Guess how much it is.
But guess how much?
We're gonna tell you. It's 40 bucks.
No.
Oh wait, no, it's not.
It's 70 and it's on clearance.
From 300 something. Yeah, mine was like 85. Now it's
40.
40. It is
Like in the
cute
comment below.
though. I'm still figuring out if I want it or not. It's cute. I ended up not buying anything. Yeah.
I also didn't get the bag. We didn't get the bag.
Yeah,
but I just got a
because-
basket for my dog. Because he's spoiled.
Save our money. We took a detour to the grocery store. Man's in the way. We got snacks. Got so much shrimp chips.
Well, I had to bring some home for my family.
It's so good. FYI, definitely try it.
And I got iced tea because Asian iced tea is bomb.
It's the, what are they called? The hoisin?
Oishi prawn crackers, the
Oh.
spicy flavor.
Yeah, spicy and original is pretty good, but spicy is way better.
This
I
brand
can't,
is really good.
I can't handle spice, but it's pretty good.
We out here in Value Village.
Look at all these little figurines. This is what I'm talking about. I was thinking of getting this book when I moved to Vancouver, but I think I'll just explore everything on my own and figure it out. I don't know why I'm spending so much time in the book section when I don't read. So many dresses. Not bad, $14. Ooh.
We're walking to the park to have a picnic, or take a picture and then go home and have a picnic because it's not that sunny out. So we have everything in here.
So yeah, we've been taking a lot of photos, and this is our setup of our picnic. And we're gonna go back home now and have the picnic back where it's not as uncomfortable. My butt has been sticking to the picnic mast. I mean, the picnic cloth. It's not a cloth, it's plastic, but yeah, you get the point. Okay, let's pack up and go now.